Hey guys, my name is Taylor Chu. I'm going to show you how to make food labels for your Thanksgiving feast.
Six inches means 1 inch for the bottom flap, 2 inches for the front of the card, 2 inches for the back of the card, and 1 inch for the other bottom flap. Fold your card in half or at the 3-inch mark. Then fold at the 1-inch mark for the first bottom flap and at the 5-inch mark for the second bottom flap. Put them together.
These cards may seem little, but they will up the curb appeal of your Thanksgiving spread. Thanks for tuning in today. My name is Taylor Chu. I have other Thanksgiving crafting and baking videos on my channel, so check those out. Until next time, I'm grateful.